Welcome to Shelter Food and Beer. I got up this morning and I started working on this and I realized I should probably shoot a video of it. And what I'm doing is I'm making maple pepper bacon. So for my maple pepper bacon, and it's thick as you can see, you're probably wondering, where do you get thick bacon like this? Well, I bought a pork butt and I just slice it to the thickness that I wanted. So I salt and pepper it, kind of pat it in there and let it rest for a while. I just use coarse brown pepper and this campfire smoky salt to cure the bacon. So on the spread, we will of course use maple syrup, but I'll start out with some brown sugar. This is ground cayenne pepper from our garden. It's very potent, so go very sparingly on that to give the bacon a little heat. Then I'll put some Dijon mustard, about 2 tablespoons I suppose, and some organic maple syrup. I'll put the same quantity of syrup in there. And mix it up. The oven is preheating at 365 and I'll just keep an eye on it, probably be a half hour, 45 minutes. It's thick bacon. Cook it on a rack. Just place the bacon on your rack. Take a brush and brush your bacon on. After you get a nice coat on one side, turn them over. And baste again. So the oven is up to temperature. So I'm gonna cook it at 365, and like I said, I'm not sure how long it's gonna be in there. It is pork belly, so you can cook it rare, but it is bacon, so you could cook it crispy if you want. There we go. See you in a half hour. So it's been in there for a half hour. I flipped it over at 15 minutes. That's what it's looking like right now. The drippings are burning just a little, but the bacon looks really good. I'm going for a little more well done than that. Render off some of that fat, but wow. That looks pretty tasty. Yeah, that's perfect. It's not too crispy. Fat's rendered down. The smell, the sweet smell of the maple and the brown sugar coming off it, but that mustard really permeates the air. Let's make a sandwich. Nice toasty roll. Hit it with a little barbecue sauce. Two fried eggs. Swiss cheese. That beautiful bacon. Hot peppers. Well, no, these aren't hot peppers. These are sweated red peppers. And cap it like that. There you go. Well, that's it. A bacon and egg sandwich with Swiss cheese and a side of my homemade maple bacon. I'm going to try the bacon all on its own before I enjoy the sandwich. That way I can taste my true genius. There you go, first bite. It's bacon candy. This is perfect using the pork butt, which is easily available in your local supermarket. Of course, you can't go wrong with a sandwich like this. Nailed it. Thanks for watching.
The only thing I would change about that bacon recipe is smoke it next time, and I'm going to be smoking it next time.